That is everything. That's so, I love the tunnels, it's so cool. Oh! Whoa! Oh. Look up though. That's a big tree. That's a normal sized person. That's how tall it is. Well, she's a little short, but that's a normal sized person right there. And that's how tall it is. Good Lord. I'm gonna call it Boner Rock. Seems pretty appropriate. I'm sure we go up. The rocks stink right there. Found a cute little waterfall. That way. Oh, we need to come in the winter time. Look at those. Dope. Yeah, we gotta go in the winter. Yeah, let's go under here with the lighting. That was Mossy Cave. I thought we were gonna go in it, but you can't because there's like a fence. But we're gonna go to the waterfall now, so the trail's closed. I mean, I guess we can go this way, up and around, or we can hop down right there and go to there. We're above the waterfall. curiosity. And now we get to cross the log. And that's the waterfall right there. Crushed it. I did it. Bye bye waterfall. Bye bye Mossy Cave, wherever you are. So we're going to Calf Creek right now. It's 3 miles. It's just luck. Hopefully we won't die.
We're like a quarter mile in right now.
Yeah, we're a quarter mile in. We haven't gone very far, but like look at all the rocks. Love nature. It looks like an ocean, like with the wind blowing the trees. That's a big tree. Finally can hear the waterfall. We're almost there, 3 miles later. Oh wait, maybe it's farther than I thought. Just kidding, it's right there. We're real close. Yeah! Found it. We made it. Fine. Yay! But look at it go. Oh, there's a pool and everything. Look at this. This has to be my favorite bit. All the plants and then all that green there. Like, this is awesome. So after 3 miles, we're heading back now. We're going home. But it was cool. It was worth it. Wouldn't you say it's worth it? Yeah. Yeah.